What you need to know about how IELTS tests are marked. Wonder what the numbers 1 to 9 mean in IELTS? Let's take a look at it together. There's no pass or fail in IELTS. You get what's called a band score from 1 to 9 that indicates the level of your English skills. There can also be half band scores. So, for example, you could get a 7.5 instead of a 7. For each of the 4 components of the test, you get individual band scores. How do you get your overall band score? This is an average of your 4 individual scores. To work this out, add your listening, reading, writing, and speaking scores together, then divide this by 4. Simple, right? How do you get marks for each test component? The listening and reading tests each contain 40 questions. You get 1 mark for each correct answer. Your individual band scores for these tests depend on the number of correct answers you get. See how many correct answers you need for each band score here. The writing and speaking tests are a little bit different. The examiner uses detailed criteria to assess your skills based on how you perform. Take a look at the assessment criteria. It's also available for download. So now you're all set. But before you rush ahead, remember that your test will be marked by highly qualified and trained examiners. They don't know why you are taking the test, and they don't know what score you need. So you can be sure your test is marked fairly and consistently.